Hello, boys and girls. It's Patrick at Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa. 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. Doesn't matter if you've been naughty or nice this Christmas season. We've got some great deals for you. Black Friday coming up this Friday already. Thanksgiving, we're going to be closed. We're open here till 5:30. Maybe we'll slide those deals in, but you can save up to 28% off MSRP on select new Fords. Got over 200 to choose from, and that means Edge, Expedition, Escape, F-150, you name it, even this Mustang. You get some great savings, and on top of that, on Friday, you get a 2-year, 25,000 mile maintenance package to go along with your purchase. So great deals on both ends of that. And then in our service department, if you buy 3 oil changes, you get 2 free. So a total of 5 for $119.95, an incredible value. Again, buy 3, you get 2 free. And on top of that, we have a $190 mail-in rebate offer on select tires. So if you buy 4 tires, put them on your Ford service card, you get that $190 mail-in rebate, mounted balance, all part of the deal. And then also we have savings in our detail department. We've got 20% off all our packages. We've got our parts accessories department, 20% off up to $1,000 in stock accessories. And then in our apparel department, we have 50% off apparel. So great stocking stuffers, Christmas gifts, and then of course those big savings on service and sales on new vehicles. So once again, Patrick Valant, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409. Have a very happy Thanksgiving. Drive safe if you're traveling, and we'll see you Friday. See you soon. Bye.